Hello students, in today's English period, we are going to see the fable, The Dog in the Manger from the lesson number 2. First we'll see the meaning of manger. Manger means a long open box in a cattle shed which contains hay for cattle. Here hay means what? Dried grass. Students, you can see in this picture one box is given. In that box what is kept? Hay is kept, means dry grass, and this box only it is called manger, and it is used for the cattles. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. You can see here dog is there, and what he was looking for, a nice and comfortable place. Comfortable place means what? Where you can feel better, like this place. He was searching for to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. What this dog has done? He came to the manger of an ox and he jumped onto it of the hay, and he rest, means he was taking rest on that hay. It was a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. It was very hot afternoon, and after a while, ox returned from the field and he had worked hard in this hot sun, so he was quite hungry now. He stood in his stall. Here, stall means part of a cattle shed, or you can say place for the ox. It is called stall. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. Now, when ox returned from the field, he stood in the stall and what he was planning to eat the hay which was put in the manger. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him. Already you have seen dog was taking rest in that hay, and when ox came near that time, dog saw him standing in the manger. He began to bark loudly at the ox. See how it is, dog is taking rest in the manger of the ox, and now he is barking at ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. Here, snarled means showed his teeth and made an angry noise. Snapped means try to bite somebody or something. Each time that the ox came near the hay, that time what dog has done? Dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Means dog was sitting on the hay and he was not allowing to the ox to eat it. Oxens are generally peace-loving and patient animals. Peace-loving means peaceful, means quiet, and patient animals means animals who can tolerate easily. They doesn't do attack on us. But finally the ox got upset and spoke firmly. What ox spoke? See, dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Here ox was angry on the dog because of the dog's behavior. So he's telling what? That if you want to share my food, I don't mind. You can share. But you neither eat the hay nor allow to me eat it. This is wrong. So he's telling what? Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Why you're not allowing me to eat my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. This is the message of the fable The Dog in the Manger. What is the message? See, don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Here, begrudge means what? Be unwilling to give something or unhappy that someone is getting something. The meaning of the sentence is don't be unhappy that someone is getting something. In this fable, we can see dog was not allowing to the ox to eat the hay, and he was not himself also eating the hay. Through this story you get the message what? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Students, today's homework. Here, the meaning of second fable, the dog in the manger. It is given. These meanings you have to write one time in English notebook and you have to learn. Students, here in the given page, you can see some underlined words are there. This underline means the meaning of the word. It is given short. Stall means part of a cattle shed. This much only it is okay to write. No need to write front or stable. No need to write. Like this in short you can write meaning. No need to write full that sentence which you are given on in this page. Where it is possible to give short meanings that I have underlined, you can copy as it is. After meanings, we will see the difficult words from page number 4. Which are the difficult words? See, manger, comfortable, hay, snarled, barked, snapped, peace loving, patient, favorite, begrudge. These difficult words, students, you have to learn and you have to write 5 times in English notebook. Thank you.